What can you easily grow with hydroponics? Welcome to the world of hydroponic gardening, a revolutionary method of growing plants without the use of soil. In this segment, we will explore the best things to grow using this innovative technique. One of the best things to grow using hydroponic gardening is leafy greens. Lettuces, spinach, and other greens thrive in hydroponic systems and can be harvested within a matter of weeks. This makes it perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh, homegrown greens all year round. Another great option for hydroponic gardening is herbs. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley are well suited to hydroponic systems and can be grown year-round in controlled environments. This allows you to have a fresh supply of herbs on hand for cooking and seasoning. Tomatoes are another great option for hydroponic gardening. With precise control over water, light, and nutrients, hydroponic tomatoes can be grown to perfection and yield larger fruits than traditional soil-based gardening. Hydroponic gardening is also perfect for growing strawberries. Strawberries grown in hydroponic systems can be harvested year-round and have a higher yield than traditional soil-based strawberries. So, there you have it. Leafy greens, herbs, tomatoes, and strawberries are just a few of the best things to grow using hydroponic gardening. With precise control over water, light, and nutrients, you can grow a wide variety of plants in a small space, and with a higher yield than traditional gardening methods. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new about the best things to grow using hydroponic gardening.